everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 351 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out these e.l.f. Luxe Lash Kit in Starstruck, and I got this from the e.l.f. website, but you can also find these same exact lashes at Ulta and they only cost $4. And so these say multi-dimensional lashes for full volume and length. And these are cool because it's double layer. I've never used double layered false eyelashes before. And so this says, this set of luxe multi-dimensional lashes adds full volume and length. The tapered hairs blend seamlessly into your natural lashes. And I really like that it comes with the tweezers. These look so pretty, but they do have that black band. So I did already go ahead and line my upper lash line. I actually used my Ico London liquid eyeliner to line my upper lash line, which I got in my January Ipsy bag. So if you want to see my review on the Ico London liquid eyeliner, I will link that down below because it is so nice. So anyways, my first step is going to be to fit these to my eyelids and see if I need to trim any of the lashes. So I feel like I don't have to trim anything, and these are actually like just the right length. But honestly, that's not unusual. I don't usually have to trim my false eyelashes to fit my eyes. So that means I can go right ahead and apply my lash glue. So I'm just using the Ardell lash glue, but I don't love this lash glue. So I would love to know in the comments down below if you have any recommendations for good false eyelash glue, because I think it's time for me to get a new one. So this is actually kind of a struggle because the band keeps lifting when I place it on one side. So it's kind of like a stiff band. Okay, so now the lash is applied, and wow, that was so difficult to apply. Definitely the most pain in the butt eyelash I've ever dealt with. It's so, like, it didn't curve really. It was just like so straight, so it was hard to get it to stay down in both corners. But so now that it's applied, here you can see the difference, my eye with the false lashes versus my eye without it. And they do have really beautiful length, and this claimed to make it so that your natural lashes blended in, and they really do. With the double layer, I feel like it does look so like full and fluttery, and I can't see the separation of my natural lashes below false eyelashes at all. So that's a really cool look, and I feel like that makes it look more natural. But I just feel like as I continue to wear this and as I'm blinking, it's so uncomfortable. I feel like it's the corners, the end of each lash is like, whenever I blink, it's irritating my bottom lash line, like my under eye, just the way it's touching it. And I feel like I'm like trying to adjust it, but I can't get it to sit comfortably. So I'm just not happy with this lash, and I think it's all due to that band. I love an invisible band that doesn't have that black line. They're just a lot more flexible, more comfortable, and I would just say that this lash is not for me because of the difficulty to apply and the discomfort, even though it does look really pretty with that double layer. So I feel like I'm not even going to bother to put on the other lash just because I'm going to want to take it off right away anyways. But I was really excited about these lashes. They looked so pretty, but I am pretty particular about the false eyelashes that I like. So although these look nice, it's just not worth wearing in my opinion. I wonder if I'm going to be able to make these work for me. I think I'll try them again. I'm not going to completely throw them out or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.